Hello. Welcome. In this video, I will be sharing a traffic trick that you are going to love. What you will love most is that it is going to work. In fact, your traffic results will be almost immediate. In addition, there is no cost, it is fast, and it is easy and will work perfectly on social media sites. There are 2 steps to the process, and Mr. P has added a third and a fourth. The first step that he added is to include an image. You will start with a free image. 2 sites that Mr. P recommends for free images are Pixabay, which is pixabay.com, and Pexels, which is pexels.com. The image is followed by a quote. Quotes are readily available on the internet. Your search box will help you to find an almost endless supply of quotes of all kinds. The third step is to add a small blurb about your site or channel or product or service. The fourth step is to include a link. The 4 steps are image, quote, blurb, and link. The following is an example of this strategy. This strategy also follows a simple 3-step marketing or advertising strategy. The 3 steps are: ho-hum. Why bring that up? So what? The image and the quote represent the ho-hum. In order for any ad to be effective, it must grab your reader's attention. The blurb represents why bring that up. Your last sentence and link represent the so what. This is also known as a call to action. There's one more step that you want to take, because it is going to make sharing your ads fast and easy. That step is to take a snapshot of your ad. This will allow you to post your image, embed your link, and go on to the next social media site. It is that easy and that fast. Next is your surprise bonus. Your bonus is 2 tips that will help make your results even more effective. Number 1. Make your content relative to your link's destination. Number 2. Find relative images and quotes humorous. Humor can work wonders to improve your click-throughs, so making your posts humorous will get more clicks. If you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Turn the like button black now. Thank you. If making money online interests you, I invite you to join this channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, so that Mr. P can let you know when a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching. Consider watching this video next.